With this, we would like to close the JICA Clean City Initiative Kickoff International Seminar. Main room, side room, all sessions will come to close. I would like to express my gratitude for your active participation over the course of 2 days. And in closing the seminar, we would like to call upon Mr. Seiichi ONODERA, who is the JICA board member, to give a closing remark. Thank you very much for the introduction. My name is ONODERA from JICA. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for coming to the JICA Clean Cities Initiative Kickoff International Seminar yesterday and today. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for your viewing as well as your participation. JICA, as Japan's ODA implementing agency, has been supporting developing countries to solve their problems with the mission of human security and quality growth under the vision of connecting the world with trust. And in this context, we have strengthened cooperation in the field of environmental management, such as waste management and water and air pollution prevention under the JICA Clean City Initiative, JCCI, and hope to comprehensively promote a variety of initiatives to realize clean cities where people can live in health and safety. In this seminar, the discussions were divided into 2 halls. First, in the main hall, we invited members of the Japanese government, local governments, governments of developing countries, and international organizations to discuss Japan's cooperation cases in Asian countries such as Vietnam, Bangladesh, and Malaysia, especially good practices from institutional and policy development to project implementation. In addition, there were presentations on the excellent cases of air and water pollution in Mexico and Uruguay, which were solved together with the counterparts. In addition, there was an introduction of advanced examples of discussions on the creation, recycling, and low-carbon societies for sustainable development in developed countries, including EU. We believe that we were able to confirm the necessity and direction of cooperation for clean cities in developing countries. In parallel, in the side hall, in addition to government officials and local authorities, we invited 22 Japanese companies to introduce their excellent products and technologies related to environmental management and climate change. And so I hope that these companies and the participants will continue their dialogue. JICA promotes the JCCI, and it aims to contribute to 500 million people in 50 developing countries by 2030 by promoting JCCI. But it is necessary to further collaborate with related ministries, agencies, local governments, private companies, universities, and NGOs and volunteers. We also hope to realize clean cities in many cities around the world by collaborating with international organizations and donors in order to expand the results and achieve collective impact. Strengthening international cooperation in the field of environmental management will contribute to human security and quality growth in developing countries and will also contribute to solving global environmental problems. And these are all meaningful initiatives. In relation to the Sustainable Development Goals, JCCI is committed to Goal 6, availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all, and Goal 11, inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable cities and human settlements. Goal 12, sustainable production and consumption. Goal 13, climate change and its mitigation, and Goal 14, sustainable development, and the use of the marine resources. It goes without saying that many of the goals are related to climate change and its mitigation and conservation and the sustainable use of the oceans and marine resources. And the coronary diseases, it is also important that area to support essential workers and maintain urban functions while reducing the risk of infection. Of course, sustainable development and growth requires the promotion of economic activities, but if environmental measures take backseat, sustainable development will be hindered, and the living and working environment of local residents and workers will deteriorate, leading to health hazards. Moreover, if the damage is extensive, it will take a great deal of time and money to restore the environment, which could have a negative impact on the promotion of economic activities and the health of residents. Therefore, sustainable development requires both economic development and environmental measures to be taken simultaneously. However, in order to promote these environmental measures, a thorough understanding of the experiences and challenges in other countries, including Japan, will enable leapfrog development and environmental measures to be taken in a shorter period of time and at a lower cost. JICA hopes that JCCI will accelerate, expand, and evolve its cooperation in this field by building on its past achievements in this field, further developing its achievements and widely expanding them to other countries and cities. Specifically, we will, number one, focus on waste management, sewage treatment, water and air quality control, and the realization of recycling-oriented and the circulating society. And number two, comprehensively promote the development of human resources, organization, and systems, facility and construction and technology transfer, policy and financial support, and public awareness and environmental education. In terms of cooperation methods, we will mobilize a full range of cooperation methods, including technical cooperations, grant aid, and the paid cooperation, and will further cooperate with related ministries and organizations, local governments, private companies, universities, NGOs, and volunteers. In addition, we will promote effective and efficient cooperation by collaborating in efforts in other related fields such as healthcare, climate change, urban development, and school education, with the aim of benefiting a wide range of people in developing countries. In closing, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all those involved for their cooperation and efforts to date, and a promise that holding of this seminar and a launch of the Clean Cities initiative will further strengthen our efforts in this field and our collaboration with you, and that we will continue to work together to realize clean cities in developing countries. With this, I would like to close this seminar. Thank you very much for your attention. Mr. Onodera, thank you very much. So with this, the seminar of JICA Clean Initiative JCCI Kickoff International Seminar, all the programs have come to close.